Fire.
So I welcome all of you guys to our coding club. So you're watching this video, that means that you have taken your first step toward a successful career in coding, development or programming. So let me introduce to the founder of this club, Mr. Gandhi sir, Mr. Ranjit sir and Mr. Yogi sir. These guys have not only founded the club but also have grown this community to such a level that we are now able to conduct some seminars and webinars and able to deliver the quality content to such a massive audience. Like we are now a member of thousands, like 6,000 students are connected with us in on WhatsApp and different social media accounts. So thanks to these guys have started this group with the people of 6 to 10, and now it is a community of 10,000. So this is the motto of our club: empowering the minds through code, creating a better world one line at a time. So we just not wanna teach you different tech stuffs and tell you about different tech stuffs. We are also gonna tell you how to use this powerful tool to build softwares and different products out of it so that it can be used in our society and it can help our society. Well, as you know, there are different problems in our society, in your surroundings. How can you solve them using these powerful tools you have, and we will provide you in future? You have to take one step at a time. So first we will teach you how to think, and then you will create wonders out of it. So what is this club about? This is making community, career guidance and quality education. So what is for making community? So we want to grow everyone as a community, not as a group or not as a community of few peoples, as a big community where we can grow, learn and share among each other. Then career guidance. So if you are in a initial year, first year, second year, wondering which specialization you should take, or you are in a wrong specialization, feeling that you should change. So like AI, ML, cloud, blockchain, which one you should take. So we will guide you through that. We will provide you in brief knowledge about all these techs and how this works, with what are the prerequisites, what are the roadmaps. So you can choose by yourself. Then if you are in a final year or pre-final year and wondering like what should you do for the placement, how should you prepare for the interviews, so we have professional seniors who have gone through this and been the part of an interview round. They are gonna guide you through that problem also. And also we want to provide you with the quality education, like information or everything is available on the internet. So what we are doing different, we are saturating that information and making it simpler and beautifying it and providing it to you, so you can grasp it and understand the thing very easily. So guys, this is our Instagram handle, Coding Club 26. So here you can find different things, like things related to your studies, things related to placement, career guidance, study material, and also internship related things. And also we introduce here to new technologies like ChatGPT, how to implement machine learning and AI, deep learning, data science, blockchain, Web3, and programming languages like Java, Python, roadmap for them, and different internships and new events which are happening in our vicinity. And all tech related stuffs are available here. And last year we got 1k plus followers on our Instagram handle. That was great, and we are expecting this much support and love from you guys from our upcoming sessions. And this is our LinkedIn handle. Here also we uploaded some tech related stuffs, like you can see the fundamentals of HTML, CSS front end, and deep learning and roadmap for the Java, Python. Everything's uploaded here. So these social media handles are great for those guys who want to get started with a tech and don't know where to start. So you can come up here and scroll through like which techs are available and roadmaps. You can scroll through them. Also, we are arranging sessions and different webinars and with seminars and workshops on different techs. So you can join them also. Okay, so how we are gonna achieve these goals and what are how don't only make promises, we work on it and come up with the best solution possible. So our objective is to create a healthy coding culture and a community. And for that, we have some methods. Like we are gonna provide you with quality contents, like with cheat sheets, roadmaps, hacking interviews, and different kinds of crash courses and online seminars and webinars. And we are also arranging some dev fests and hackathons, so you can get the raw experience of coding and creating projects and everything. And we are also gonna do some analysis on this, like if like in the community we want the peoples who are serious about it, who are doing the work that is assigned to them, and who want to develop in their career. So for that, we are gonna assign them with some project and assignments. On completing those, you can get some rewards, and you will be there promoted in the community, and also you are learning out of this. And then conclusion. So the conclusion is eat, code, sleep, repeat. So just remember this thing because it is gonna help you out throughout your graduation. Then how are we gonna distribute our methods? So most of the part is given to the workshop, seminar slash webinars. So workshops are given one to one, like the experts are gonna come and they gonna give you one to one interaction on some topics, or some text, or on text, anything you can name it. They are gonna give you one on one interaction. So if you have any doubt, you can ask them face to face, which will be very interactive. And as well as you will make some connections with the expert. And then we are planning for some seminars and also webinars, which will be offline and online respectively. So in these, we are gonna do the same thing, but rather than on the workshop where we are gonna create some project and teach some stuff, here we are only gonna work on new techs, like introducing you to new techs. We are gonna invite some experts from different companies, like some, if some expert is working on Google Cloud, or someone is working on Web3 blockchain, or from Polygon, or some person who is working in Firebase. So we are gonna invite this person. So they will give you online seminar, or online webinar, or offline seminars. So here you will learn about different techs, and you will come to know different personalities, and we will grow as a community. And there is also hands-on project. So the tools we are providing you in the workshop and seminar, you can use those tools to refine and craft a project, and make it a functional, so you can get a raw experience before even going to companies. You have some projects already made by yourself which you can show them, and it will enhance your resume. So yeah, this slide is for those guys who are in their pre-final and final year, and wondering like what we are gonna get from this club. We are in a final year, we are gonna pass out. So guys, will be wondering like placements and interviews, and how to crack, how to be prepared for the interview, how to get in a top company interview, high tech jobs, and everything. So here we cover up interview preparation, interview experience, and webinars related to interview. Here we will guide you through step by step guidance to how to approach in an interview, and what steps to follow, and interview experience. So the alumni who have passed out and have placed in a very good company and are a good position, they are gonna guide you through and share their experience with you, so you can also not to make those mistakes that they did at their time, and also you can get 1 or 2 points out of them. And webinars, we are gonna arrange webinars with the high-tech companies, like personalities working in high-tech companies, and they are gonna tell you what they are looking when they are taking interview, what they are looking for. We will wrap up this content, have some awesome words there. And our family is very big now, like we have a on including WhatsApp and Instagram, LinkedIn, all followers. We are 10K plus family, so we are expecting this much response in our upcoming events.